I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Stop spending your evenings on paperwork. PD Tech is here to help you get your weekends back.
Watch this video to learn how to import sales invoices into Xero. Importing invoices into Xero can help you save time if you have a lot of invoices to enter at once. To import sales invoices into Xero, click Sales. Then select Invoices. Click the Import button. Xero guides you through a 3-step process. First, download the Xero CSV template to ensure you correctly format your data for import. Click Download Template File. Before you complete Step 2, read the information to help you. You should export a list of invoices from your old system, ready to copy and paste into the file you've downloaded from Xero. Once you've got your exported list of sales invoices, find and open the Xero CSV template. It's crucial not to delete any columns or change the column headings, as Xero relies on these exact headers to import your data correctly. Mandatory columns that you must complete are indicated with an asterisk. If you don't enter information in those columns, the import will fail. The contact name must exactly match the contact name already in Xero, if there is one, to prevent creating duplicate contacts. It's a good idea to add contact details in the import file if you want to update or create a contact record in Xero with this information completed. Enter a unique invoice number for each invoice. If an invoice number already exists in Xero, that specific invoice won't be imported. For multi-line invoices, use the same invoice number for each line on the invoice. When Xero sees the same invoice number in the import file, it will create an invoice with the individual line items from the import file. For the file to import correctly, it's important to always use the day, month, year format for the invoice date and due date fields. Copy the invoice description and add the quantity and unit amount to match your exported invoice data. If your previous system doesn't have a quantity, enter 1 to complete the mandatory field. You'll need to check the amounts in the unit amount column are either all tax exclusive or tax inclusive, as you can't have both within one import file. Enter an account code that exactly matches your chart of accounts in Xero. Otherwise, the import will fail. It's also critical to complete the tax type as it appears in your tax settings. For example, tax on income, open bracket, 20%, close bracket. You can complete other optional fields in the template, such as tracking, currency, and branding theme as needed. Once you've completed your template, save it as a CSV, where you can easily find it. Back in Xero, complete Step 3. Click Browse and select your prepared CSV file. Select if you'd like Xero to update contact address details using the information in the import file. In this example, we'll leave it as No. Then, select if the unit amount field is tax exclusive or inclusive. In our example, we'll keep tax exclusive selected. Finally, click Import. If there are any errors, you'll be prompted to go back and fix them. Click Complete Import to import your file. You'll see all the invoices Xero has created in the Draft tab of the Invoices page. Click an invoice to view it and approve each one separately. Or, if you're happy with the information in the import file, select the checkboxes next to each invoice. Then click Approve to finalize the invoices in bulk. We recommend running the Accounts Receivable Detail Report for the relevant time period to check you've accurately imported the data. Now you're ready to import sales invoices into Xero.